Today in this video I show you how to find clipboard in iPhone. For this you have to open shortcuts. Now click on gallery and search clipboard. Now scroll down to find adjust clipboard and click on this plus icon for adding clipboard on shortcuts. Click on shortcuts tab. Now you can see clipboard is added here. Now if I copy my text like this and open adjust clipboard in shortcuts, you can see text is showing here. If you want to edit or adjust this text, then you can do this easily. After adjusting, click on done. Click on allow. Now text is saved on clipboard. You can see text is saved here. You can paste this text like this. You can see clipboard text is pasted here. If you want, you can also delete this text. Click on adjust clipboard and remove all this. Click on done. Now as you can see, text is deleted. So this is how you can find clipboard in iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.